Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Strategy Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. In today's video, we are going to go over our brand new process. Process. We do have a little treat at the end of this video, some big things that are coming. Again, you haven't seen us on camera 7 days, 8 days, I think my YouTube said.
That's not that long.
Yeah, but for this world, it is.
Oh, in YouTube world. A whole week we haven't made a video.
A whole week we haven't made a video. So we're excited to be back because we've been working on a few of our customers know kind of what we're working on, but we've been working on so many things in the background. Let me move my seat up. So many things in the background, so many
behind the scenes, creating new processes, creating new companies,
yes,
creating new employees, creating new channels, creating new everything. So we are kind of just taking this boat and switching gears a little bit.
So you're gonna see a lot of different things on the channel and definitely a lot of different things on the website, which is going to lead us to our number one thing on the website. Drum roll, please.
Brrr, ding.
The new process on our website is we will not be setting up gang sheet anymore. No other company does it. And if they do it, it's a total separate process from the website. So if you guys don't know, the traditional way to purchase a gang sheet or a DTF transfer on anybody's website is you go to the website, you select 22 by 24, you select, 1 by 1 or whatever dimension that you select, and then you upload the file, and then you add it to cart and you pay for it, and then that's it. And right before you upload the file, it tells you file has to be PNG, 300 DPI, transparent background. What else? Oh, we can't accept single images. So if it's for a gang sheet, if you send us a single image, we can't print that, right? Because it's not set up on a gang sheet. So we were the only company for almost 2 years now, we're just rounded up to 2 years now, that have been setting up your gang sheet. And Shelly can kind of go into that.
Yes, as you all know, if you're new here, if you're old here, if you're a part of the family, if you're a part of the membership, as you know, we based our company off of setting your gang sheets up, giving you that free consultation, helping you with your resolution, all of those things to kind of get you where you need to be, educate you, and kind of hold your hand to walk forward. Yes. So today, we just did a reevaluation of the company and really realized what's kind of holding us back from everything, and just a reevaluation. And we learned that everybody else is on the same format. You upload and your file will be printed as is. And I know you guys loved our business for that, but we have to get with the times. I think we've made plenty of videos to show you and teach you how to set up your gang sheet, show you and teach you about resolution, about vectors, about everything. So we're ready to upgrade our company and just do, you submit your gang sheet and we will print it as is.
Yes.
If you do send us individual images, we will send you an automated message letting you know this cannot be, we don't approve of this. Please submit a gang sheet. If you don't know how to make a gang sheet, please head over to our channels and it will teach you in Canva and Adobe Illustrator in, what was that other one? Krita. So we have several different programs to show you how to do that. But this is just what we have to do within our company. And you submit your gang sheet and it's going to be print as is.
Yes, and to kind of touch on that just a little bit more, we are not going to go to a process of drag and drop your file. So we will still keep the old process of sending us your artwork with your order number, because we felt that if we go to a, upload your file type of platform like everybody else out there, you notice everybody else out there, they have the upload your file platform or little thing built into the website, and then they also have the gang sheet builder, which is probably the most difficult thing I've ever seen in my life.
We're not going that route.
We're not going that route because we understand that there's going to be a ton of our customers who are going to come to our website and be like, hold on, well, I don't know if this image that I have is good or whatever, and we're not going to tell you if your image is good quality or not, as far as like each individual time. Like she mentioned, it'll be an automated message from our employee. They will be handling all of the emails. But just to let you know that you will purchase from the website right there, it's your responsibility to send your artwork, completed gang sheet, to order now, flashcustomtransfers.com. Similarly to the way you used to do it before, except now the second you purchase, the second you send it, it will go to print.
Yes, it will be printed at it as is. There will no
Yes.
longer be free consultations,
No.
reviewing your artwork, anything like that is officially dropped. You won't. There will
be no setup fees.
Yeah, so we don't have to worry about setting up gang sheets. You don't have to worry about those fees. It is now, I feel like we've taught y'all enough.
Yes.
Like you guys are graduating and we trust and believe in y'all that y'all can create an amazing gang sheet and submit it and ready for printing. The past few weeks I've been working with a lot of different customers since we implemented the set up your gang sheet. A lot of people, implementing charging to set up your gang sheet, a lot of people have taken that time to really learn how to set up their gang sheet to save that $25. And I'm very proud, and I was able to help them. Shout out to Miss Crystal. She's doing amazing to help her learn that. So now she's able to just submit her gang sheets. And all of our videos helped her with all of that.
Yeah.
She watched our Canva videos. She's been killing it. She did need help vectorizing. We do offer that service. So it's just something that we believe that you guys are ready.
And are ready for. And and please, somebody out there, like we tell you, and we'll do this in the future, create a business out of setting up people's gang sheets, right? You can definitely do it. You could charge whatever you want. You can put it on Fiverr. I set up gang sheets and you can deal with all that. And then you just send them back the image and then they send it to us for printing or whatever. But she's right. She's the one who's been doing it, all the employees and stuff like that. And it's just taking up so much of our business. But the benefit of
this is the good part. I know you guys are like, man, but it comes, Flash Custom Transfers always comes through. We're always looking out for you guys. So of course, we're gonna take away the free consultation, but we also have perks. Go, baby.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited.
So the process is going to be come to the website. And once you see the website, we've already kind of done it in the back end, but August 1st, or maybe even a little bit before, you will see a drastic new look on the website, and it'll just be two products, DTF, UV. We will still leave up the pre-made gang sheets. We will still leave up the digital downloads. Everything else will be removed from the website. So you will come, you will click one button for UV DTF, you will see all the options. You will click another button for DTF, you will see all the options. 4 sizes, 24, 36, 60 for DTF, 12, 24, 36, 60 for UV DTF. Prices are there. Speaking about prices, after you order, you send in your email with your artwork with your completed gang sheet. Your print will be sent to the printer and will be printed next day. So just and shipped that day. So just for a quick example, and Shelly's gonna explain it in a little more detail. If you order on Monday between the hours of 10 and 6 p.m. Houston City Central Standard Time, your gang sheets, one or infinity, will be printed Tuesday and shipped out standard shipping Tuesday. It's a game changer. And one DTF gang sheet on Flash Custom Transfers is going to be $35.
$35.
$35. Everything on Flash Custom Transfers is printed and shipped the next day. No more waiting.
Free shipping.
Free shipping.
Free shipping, guys.
There's not even a shipping button. Whenever you cash out, you're not putting in your address to pay for shipping. You're putting in your address so we can send it to you.
Yes. So now if you order a 22 by 24, it is $35 flat. That includes the next day printing fee, and that includes shipping. It includes everything. So you won't have to pay shipping separately. So everything will get to you in a flash. So we're kind of taking away something, but we are giving double. We're printing / shipping your things very next day.
Yes.
And we do have, if you need a faster shipping, because everything will be standard, we do have those options as well. But you don't have to worry about those next day print fees anymore, because everybody will be getting their stuff printed next day. So we are 1 business day turnaround time.
Yes, and please let us know if you need anything, because we're gonna be, when we decided to do all this, our biggest thing is speed. So if you submit your order and you send it in and you actually wanted next day air or 2-day air, and you don't put that in the email, then Oh no, will it be in the drop down?
Yeah, you're gonna be able to click
That's
it.
right. It'll be, yeah, but still write it just in case, anything can happen. But yes, you'll be able to click standard or 2-day, or no, not standard. You'll be able to click add 2-day or next day. And for Fridays, this is what I really want to get to. So for Fridays, because we are closed on the weekends, if you or if you submit your order between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., it will be mailed out
Monday.
Monday.
That's why business day.
Yes.
Turnaround time is one business day. So
yes.
remember that. The business days don't change. We're still running on business days. We're still a business. You guys know we're closed on the weekends. Actually,
Yes.
a lot of y'all don't know we're closed on the weekends because I get all of your weekend emails like, why aren't you answering? Why aren't you answering? Guys, we are closed on the weekends. We only operate Monday through Friday, 10 to 6.
Yes.
If you get emails later, that's just because I'm a workaholic.
Yes, exactly.
But yes, we are closed on the weekends. So moving forward, August 1st is what we're projecting.
Yes.
Maybe a little earlier, but that's our deadline to have everything set up so it can print and ship next day, free shipping. You can't beat that. And we do have, so we did alter all of our prices for each one of our sizes. And on our UV DTFs, we're actually offering, we've actually had this on the website. I don't know if you guys caught it, but we're offering 22 by 36 and 22 by 60 in UV DTF. So that is on the website. And we will have all those prices.
Out soon.
Yeah, we'll have all those. So as you know, the 22 by 24, $35 even.
Yes, right there. No more extra clicking and add and shipping. That's everything. Now, if you're in state, there will be taxes, but if you are out of the state of Texas, you won't be paying any taxes. So it's $35 a sheet, and it's fast. So again, we're the fastest company. We are still the lowest price for the bang for buck. We're those other karate companies out there, they can't beat our price and they can't beat our speed. So that's what we are here to do for you guys. And we have want to move on to the next video?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. We're going to do 2 more. We're also going to go live. So stay tuned for the next video where we talk about, what are we talking about? Subscriptions and...
pricing and subscriptions. Their new pricings and subscriptions.
All righty. All right, so we'll talk more about...
Stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. So stay tuned for the next episode. Be basic.